I'm Bill. So I created this video because probably you are in your journey on passing your certified system administrator exam in ServiceNow. And I'm very inspired because I'm getting a lot of comments that have helped a lot of students and receiving thank you that they have passed the CSA. And I'm so passionate on helping people. That's why I created this 44 videos under my YouTube channel. So you'll see that playlist at the end of this video screen. So now it's like I'd like to add some comments on how I created them, on how I managed to help students like yourself to ensure that you succeed in passing the CSA. So I started also like you. So it's being empathetic. And it was quite daunting at first. So I relied on the ServiceNow University. And I felt the lessons was not enough. And I was not fully confident that what I've learned in the ServiceNow University was enough. So that's why I created these videos, which is foundational not only on passing the CSA, but also on learning the platform. Now, having said that, it's like the steps on how to do something is memorizing how to do it, but the why behind it and what is it for. And I think that's one of the key differentiators that because I'm adding use cases on those videos on how you use it and why you use it and when to use it. So it's building it the right way. So that's how I structured it. You build something, you configure something in a proper way. Then once you get to understand the platform, you come into the exam, then you get to verify you are confident because you know how and why it works. So I added use cases as well as I move along on those videos. So I covered quite fairly bit and examples. And one of the key things in learning is hands-on. So this is a hands-on learning approach where you open up a personal developer instance. If you don't know it, this is what ServiceNow use. It's a free PDI which you'll find in my video. You can create one and learn how to use it, navigate around the platform. And I always believe in the Chinese saying, you see, you understand, you hear, you forget, you do, you remember. So you keep on doing. So as you get familiarized, you did once, twice. So I think when I passed the CSA, what I did is I did a lot of hands-on and made sure that I'm fully familiar with the platform. So when I was familiar with the platform and I went through those videos I created plus the ServiceNow University, and it made ensured me the confidence that I will pass the exam. So the key takeaways here is knowing the why, the how, so both of them combined together, and the use cases. And lastly is familiarity. So basically, as you tell me on your journey, on which stage you are in your journey on passing the CSA, let me know down in the comments. And I'm happy to help you in giving you a response where you're stuck on and probably giving you that small white spaces that you need help on so for you to ensure to pass the exam. And once you pass the exam, please don't forget to add a comment below that you have passed it to keep on inspiring other students like you yourself. And I recommend or probably encourage you to share how you basically your experience on passing the CSA so we could help other students like you to build the confidence and also learn the ServiceNow platform. So I hope this video has managed to help you. So you'll find the playlist at the end of the screen and also down in the comments as I post this down the description. I'll see you on the first video.